We got a boomer out here.
Boomer! Sorry!
Boomer! What's the ticket number? What is the numbers?
He left, draw!
Boomer left. Okay, next one.
Oh, he left to take his kid to the hotel. You shouldn't have called him for that. Yeah, we can do that.
All right, we like Boomer. If you see Boomer, who's a friend with Boomer?
Nobody!
Here, come get Boomer's shirt. And give him the gas cap. All right, next one. 584. 584. This guy is very proud of his name. John Roman. There we go. Where's John Roman at? John, I know you're here because you're... John, come get your shirt.
Come on, you want a GM gas cap for your Ford? Heck yeah!
If your shirt's not the right size and you want a different one, and you don't wear it,
kind of nice.
and you don't wear it, try contacting Jeff and ask me to exchange it for you. Jeff from Word Waiting RC.
If it's too big, you let my wife try it. If it's too small, I can stretch it.
Jeff did say these shirts shrink.
Yeah, but usually want muscle stretch it though.
All right, got one more shirt to go, so pay attention. Here we go.
I have to go launch in the middle of the field, and no one's going to like that.
606.
606.
Wrong tickets, Bill.
Any name on it? Nope. Okay. All right.
Leave it alone.
All right, 606 going once.
Numbers are off by like 20,000.
606 going twice. 606 three times and gone. Next ticket.
580.
580. Chris Davis. Chris Davis got himself a shirt. Alright. And Chris, when he's verify his ticket. Alright, we're ready to do the, what's up next? Bob, what do we got next up for the raffle ready to go? Alright, let's get that razor out of here. There, we got a razor. Okay? There's the razor. Not even going to here.
They were good service, but they were free rack. Now what the hell's that on your head?
Camera?
Oh, I thought maybe it was your balls up there.
Now you ruined my tape. I can't put it on the family no. No, I'll put it on YouTube. I'll put it on YouTube tonight.
What have you been doing, dude?
Not much. It's been a while.
Oh, it's been a while. I think it's been.
It's been a while.
How you doing, man?
It's been a while.
So Mike come back with a sandwich bag of 7 years.
Oh, wow. I still have some of those servos at home. I got a pile of JRs. When they went out of business here for 5 years, I'm like, going, oh, what do I do? Thank you, Clark.
Last three on the ticket is 850.
Let's walk out on a flat line and see what it looks like.
850. Is that name on the ticket on the back? No, no name on the ticket. Okay, hold on. We're checking tickets, folks.
They're having a raffle.
Steve Doty won himself the Tiger 2. Verify the ticket. Let's make sure we're all honest here. Numbers match. Congratulations, Steve. Won yourself the Tiger 2. All right. I believe we should have a bucket with a 50-50 in it.
With the Tiger? Yeah. Who won it? Steve Doty. Was it past the transmitter, Jay?
Okay. Scott, I'll need your help again. Okay, hold on.